Soon after Bill Chayaka votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Yes, and right, Zion Roots. Oda. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, Jah's love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. The herb make me strong like a lion bold. Wisdom flow more precious than gold. Every puff a story told. Jah's love eternal, it can't get old. Bubba Kush and lemon haze. Sacred smoke make the spirit raise. Meditation deep, me heart ablaze. The herb are the key for brighter days. Healing vibes in the air. Herb are the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, Jah's love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. In the night when the stars shine bright, Ganja bring peace, make the world feel right. The smoke a signal, a sacred light, guiding me soul through the darkest fight. From the roots of Zion to the city lane, herb unite, take away the pain. Babylon can't stop the love we've gained. Healing vibes forever remain. This ya herb a bridge for the soul, connecting hearts make the people whole. The message clear, it's Jah's roll. Healing vibes forever the goal. Healing vibes in the air. Herb at the bomb, take away me care. Rasta chant, Jah's love declare. Healing vibes everywhere. From the chalice smoke to the drum beat strong. Herb are the anthem of Jah's song. Forever me chant, it can't be wrong. Healing vibes carry us along. Roots don't sleep, even when the world them deep in a illusion. Even when steel and glass take over land, Jah power still grow from the ground. Me wake up with sun on my face. Another day in Babylon place. Them system cold, them heart so dry. Them watch we suffer while them fly high. But me roots them talk in the breeze, whispering truths beneath them trees. Every leaf a memory, every grain a tale. A silent revolution, unstoppable trail. Them take we water, them poison the food. Them call it progress, me call it rude. But me plant seed with intention strong. Me know the earth will right the wrong. Roots don't sleep, them rise at night. Them feel with pain, them fight the fight. Through concrete cracks and plastic shell, roots reach out with Me chant fi balance, me soul stay still. Me see billboard with glitter and fame, but behind it me hear Jah name. Me see the children hungry and lost, while them leaders drink and bust. Me not join the circus of fear. Me hold me heart, me keep Jah near. Them push division, color and creed, but love still grow like sacred weed. Me hear Mama Earth, she call me so. Say child of light, you half you know. Me womb still fertile, me fire still blaze, but you must walk through Babylon is. Them a sleep, them a scroll, them a click, but roots no rhythm, roots move quick. Deep in the soil where no eye can see, a new world growing quietly. Roots of knowledge, roots of love, fed by moon and watched by dove. Me chant with drum, me chant with flame. Me burn illusion, me call them name.
Zion roots, yeah man. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. Inna the circle we chant and praise. Light up the herbs, set the soul ablaze. Sativa breeze, feed the brighter days. Sacred smoke, make the pathway raise. No need, no riches, no diamond shine. Herb are the treasure, it's Jah design. Roll up the love, make the heart combine. Sacred smoke, the blessing divine. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. Golden strains like the morning sun. Pineapple kush make the journey fun. One puff a day make the struggle done. Sacred smoke, me battles won. Meditation deep, the vision clear. Herb are the answer, banish fear. Inna Jah love, me persevere. Sacred smoke, forever near. Chant down Babylon walls tonight. Herb are the guide, the holy light. Sacred smoke, make the wrongs go right. Forever in Jah sight. Sacred smoke, lift me high. Herb of Jah, reach the sky. Healing vibes, can't deny. Sacred smoke, the spirit comply. So gather the people, let the smoke them rise. Sacred herb, Jah's gift in disguise. Forever we praise, forever we realize. Sacred smoke, open your eyes. treasure make we overstand. Green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Wake up early, sun on my face. Step out of me yard, the herb embrace. Call for the crew, it's a natural space. Life's a rhythm, Jah love the bass. Sativa feed the morning, indica feed the night. Balance my spirit, keep me in sight. The earth provide, it's a sacred right. Green gold treasure, my destiny's life. Green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Say cushion at the grinder, me say make it fine. Roll it up nice, me feeling divine. The smoke a dance, the spirit align. Green gold treasure, it's just design. No strains a come, call them by name. Lemon skunk, white widow, all the same. Blessed vibes, no room for shame. Herb at the healer, break the chains. It's a ganja story for you and me. A gift from Jah, so make it free. The herb I unify, it's the key. Green gold treasure eternally. Green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. From the mountain high to the valley low, ganja seeds plant, watch the blessings grow. Forever me a sing, forever me a show. Green gold treasure, let the love flow. Them can't hear the drums, but them still there. Beating low in the soul, echo near and far. No media show it, no headline run, but truth still beat under moon and sun. Me walk through concrete, but me feel bush. Me heart beat steady like bamboo push, while city a scream with noise and glare. Me find silence where Jah prepared them sell with fear with a barcode smile, but me carry truth in a ancient style. Me na born for obey or blend, me born for chant till it chains end. Me say Babylon promise dreams, them can't deliver. Them build big towers but sink like river. Me hold tight to me roots, me not sway, even if the whole world run away. Me sight them traps in the school, teach the youth fi be tool, but me say learn for yourself. Wisdom na live pan dusty shelf. Silent drums of Zion still beat, even when the world feel incomplete. We nah need no TV screen fi see the vision, fi keep it clean. Silent drums of Zion sound low, but it guide we step wherever we go. Deep in our soul, them still alive. Drums of truth keep we survive. Me granny used to them tone, me grandfather chanted to the bone. Now me carry the rhythm in a me stride. Jah music in a blood can't hide. Them want control with device and law, but Jah law deeper than them flaw. Me watch the birds, me watch the tree. Them more wise than politician decree. Me say rise up from illusion, slumber, remember who you are, remember
by your number, we not property of any state. We sovereign being born great. Let this system call we mad. Me rather mad than dead and sad. Me nah go beg no validation. Me firm pan roots, no imitation. Me feel the pulse of Mama Earth long before them tech give work. Me see the lies dress up neat, but me spirit nah accept defeat. We got heartbeat, we got song, we got Jah love all along. Let the silent drums remind you true. The fire inside still blaze true. Silent drums of Zion still beat, even when the world feel incomplete. We nah need no TV screen fi see the vision, fi keep it clean. Silent drums of Zion sound low, but it guide we step wherever we go. Deep in our soul, them still alive. Drums of truth keep we survive. So when you feel lost in the night, look inside, you carry the light. Them can't stop the rhythm divine. It live in you, it live in I. Me nah fear what come next. Me trust Jah, me read no text. Me listen to silence deep and strong, where the silent drums of Zion belong. In a night so still and wide, before the city open him eyes, me hear the drum deep in her chest. It tell me truth, it can't rest. Me nah born fi chase them scheme. Me rise with fire, me walk the dream. Them system try hold me tight, but me spirit blazing Jah light. Me hear me ancestors in breeze. Them talk through drum, through ancient trees. Before the chains and all the fight, we danced in moon, we walked in light. The drum remembers it beat fi we, from mountain top to deep blue sea. No matter how them twist the way, the rhythm guide I every day. The drum remembers even when we fall. It echoes strong through Babylon wall. It call the youth, it wake the soul. The beat of freedom, wild and whole. Me nah get trapped in cliques and trends. Me hold the truth that never bends. Them build them towers, them build them lies, but Jah voice rise in earth and skies. Me walk with barefoot knowledge, yes. Me chant the word in wilderness. While them distract, me stay aware. Me hear the drum, it's always there. Them take with stories, take with song, but the drum beat still strong. It not forget we sacred flame. It chant we roots, it call we name. The drum remembers ancient sound. It rise up even when we down. From trench town streets to riverside, it beat for love, it beat for pride. So when the noise get too loud, find the drum beyond the crowd. It not bow, it not pretend. It beat for truth until the end. Zion roots. In a night so still and wide, before the city open him eyes, me hear the drum deep in our chest. It tell me truth, it can't rest. Me not born fi chase them scheme. Me rise with fire, me walk the dream. Them system try hold me tight, but me spirit blazing Jah light.
svedka. Herb are the key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, Jah love can die. Freedom blaze, light up the svedka. Herb are the key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, Jah love can die. Babylon chain can't hold me soul. The herb me burn make the righteous whole. Inna the fire me find me goal. Freedom blaze take full control. Every puff I remind me say, Jah light shine bright, show me the way. Roll up the chalice, give thanks and pray. Freedom blaze, make the dark turn day. Freedom blaze, light up the sky. Herb are the key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, Jah love can die. The healing herb make me heart rejoice. Enough wisdom flow, listen Jah voice. Can't silence truth, it's the people choice. Freedom blazing, I love me pies. Blueberry strain, ROG fire. The herb uplift, take me higher. Inna the smoke, me spirit as higher. Freedom blaze, set me soul on fire. It's a chant for the love divine. Herb make the stars, them align. Babylon can't stop Jah design. Freedom blaze, eternally shine. Freedom blaze, light up the sky. Herb are the key, make the spirit fly. One love call, me reply. Freedom blaze, Jah love can die. So light up the fire, let the smoke rise tall. Freedom blaze, answer Jah call. Forever me sing, forever me ball. Herb are the blessing for one and all. Zion roots. Yeah man. Blaze the fire, make the smoke them roll. Her body healer, cleanse me soul. One puff the world take control. Blaze the fire, make the spirit whole. Inna the jungle where the roots run deep. Her body gift just promise to keep. Every puff a journey, the mountains steep. Meditation rise while the body sleep. OG fire and mango blaze. Herb make me heart feel just kiss. Can't resist the vibes like this. Ganja guide me through the abyss. Blaze the fire, make the smoke them roll. Her body healer, cleanse me soul. One puff the world take control. Blaze the fire, make the spirit whole. Babylon fight but we stand tall. Her body answer fi one and all. In a Jah love we never fall. The fire blaze high, answer the call. Purple kush and the Cali green. Herb make the heart stay serene. The smoke a vision of what's unseen. Blaze the fire, keep the soul clean. For Jah herb we sing and praise. Sacred plant, light up the days. Blaze the fire, set the world ablaze. Herb make the righteous find them ways. Blaze the fire, make the smoke them roll.
Her body healer cleanse me soul. One puff the world take control. Blaze the fire, make the spirit whole. Forever me chant, forever me burn. Jah her body lesson fi learn. From dusk till dawn, Jah love return. Blaze the fire, make the spirit yearn. Zion roads, high and high. Jah smoke rising high in the sky. Feel the blessings flow, watch me fly. Herb are the guide, we can't deny. Jah smoke rising, it's me reply. On the hillside, me plant the seed. Herb feed the people, fulfill them need. Golden strains like Jah decree. From the earth's embrace, me soul set free. Me say, Rasta markers come hold the fire. Roll up the spliff, make the vibe them higher. Inna the rhythm of life, me a true supplier. Ganja make me heart sing like a choir. Jah smoke rising high inna the sky. Feel the blessings flow, watch me fly. Herb are the guide, we can't deny. Jah smoke rising, it's me reply. From blueberry strain to the OG Kush, smoke a travel, make the spirit push. Herb inna the chalice, no need fi rush. Sacred meditation, feel the ambush. The healing flow through every breath. The herb a shield against distress. In a Jah love, me feel me blessed. High grade ganja, Jah's manifest, yo. This ya herb, a gift from above. Sacred plant, born of Jah love. Babylon can't stop, can't shove. Jah smoke rise, it's the sign whereof. Jah smoke rising high in the sky. Feel the blessings flow, watch me fly. Herb are the guide, we can't deny. Jah smoke rising, it's me reply. Forever me chant, forever me pray. Jah herb guide me through each day. From Kingston streets to the mountain sway. Jah smoke rising, make Babylon stray. Zion roots are Me rise from the earth, me take a deep breath. Every day me feel the power of the bliss. Me nah lose hope, Jah guide me stride. With the herb and the vibes, me have nowhere to hide. Me like a chronic and me drift away. Me spirit calm, the rhythm a sway. Me
travel the road for the true essence. Light it up, me feel the presence. Provide for everyone are we. When the storm a rage, they see me there for free. Me stand tall, me smoke the light. Jah will provide, me walk in the light. Me cruise me way and me feeling irie. The herb and me teacher, me feel the clarity. Ganja feed the body, me soul full of praise. Me only burn that good herb, me mind never haze. Me start me day with the confidence strong. Me trust in the herb, me know the road long. Me light some pineapple, express and relax. Me a focus on me purpose, me cut through the facts. Jah will provide for everyone are we. When the storm a rage, they see me there for free. Me stand tall, me smoke the light. Jah will provide, me walk in the light. Me sit by the water and me meditate. Me heart is at peace, me can feel the fate. Jah will guide me path, me no afraid. And the weed me smoke will never fade. So me rise again, full of the strength. Me walk the way of the lion and me length. No matter the road, me know me fi trust. Jah will provide, me never feel disgust. Jah will provide for everyone are we. When the storm a rage, they see me there for free. Me stand tall, me smoke the light. Jah will provide, me walk in the light. Yeah, man, it's ganja time. Me sail the ocean, the waves make the sound. The salt in the air, me feet on the ground. Each puff me take a feel the wisdom of the sea. Mystic waves surround me, Jah guiding me. On the ocean blue me find peace in the tide. Every wave I whisper me not need to hype. Me live in the moment, the present a gift. The waves of the sea carry me drift. Me rise with the tide, me face the unknown. Me sail through the storm, me never alone. With Jah on me side, me don't fear the rain. Me move with the wind, no stress, no pain. Me watch the stars fall, me hear the sea roar. Each wave bring wisdom, me learn more and more. Me see me future clear in the sparkling foam. Mystic waves carry me to me home. Me see the horizon, me vision expanded. Me trust the sea, me life is grounded. Me move with the rhythm of the ebb and the flow. The water and herbs are feed me soul to grow. Me feel the strength in every gentle wave. Me wash me doubts, me let Jah save. As me sail, the world starts to melt away. Me reach me destiny with every wave me sway. Me breathe in the freedom, me step on the sand. Me watch the waves crash, just peace in me hand. Mystic waves guide me to the shore. Me rise in the current, me ask for no more. As the night falls, me sail to the stars. Mystic waves take me near and far. With Jah at me helm, me will never stray. Me find me way home with the waves every day. As the night falls, me sail to the stars. Mystic waves take me near and far. With Jah at me helm, will never stray. Me find me way home with the waves every day. Ay, ay, ay. Jamon Kali pushing out the chalice. Me dip on the corner, all me see is joy. The rhythm, the vibes, and the fire and the boy. Me like this bit from feel irie, me head a buzz. Me no free the eye, keep me from the fuss. Me pop some grape tape, and me ready for the vibes. All me need is me net, me no need no disguise. Me feel free, me glide like the breeze. Me breeze on the beach, every sound me please. Natural vibes, natural high, me live me life. No stressing on me mind, no worry nor strife. Me chilling with the herb, that's the best thing. Me light the fire and me let the vibes bring. Me Rasta people come me way. Me feel the energy, me start to sway. Me burn some purple haze to get the thoughts clear. Me clear me mind, the vibes near. Me check the crew, the sound system blazing. Every hour, the vibes keep amazing. For the peace and the love, that's what me cherish. Me lights up a spliff and the joy never perish. Natural vibes, natural high, me live me life. No stressing on me mind, no worry nor strife. Me chilling with the herb, that's the best thing. Me light the fire and me let the vibes bring. Me dip on the hill, me eyes them wide. Me smoke a little skittles, feed that inner pride. The music I play, me move with the rhythm. Me feel so free, me know this a me kingdom. Inna the rhythm, me find my soul. Natural vibes, it makes me whole. Jah bless me always, me have to sing the tune. Me smoke for the morning and for the full moon.
Roots of Zion, just creation. Roots of Zion, strong and true. Jah herb uplift, it's the chosen few. Fire blaze high, make the vibes renew. Roots of Zion, guiding you through. Roots of Zion, strong and true. Jah herb uplift, it's the chosen few. Fire blaze high, make the vibes renew. Roots of Zion, guiding you through. From the island fields to the urban lane, her bring the joy, ease the pain. No Babylon law could ever constrain the roots of Zion, eternal reign. Stunk OG Kush and the Baba strain, all combined fi balance me brain. Puff it once, feel the love sustain. Roots of Zion, never in vain. Sing out loud, let the world them hear. Herb are the remedy, take away your fear. The roots of Zion make the pathway clear. Forever in Jah love me declare. Roots of Zion, strong and true. Jah herb uplift, it's the chosen few. Fire blaze high, make the vibes renew. Roots of Zion, guiding you through. Roots of Zion, strong and true. Jah herb uplift, it's the chosen few. Fire blaze high, make the vibes renew. Roots of Zion, guiding you through. In the light of Jah, me find me way. Roots of Zion guide me every day. Forever me chant, forever me pray. Herb are the blessing me can't betray. Zion roots, Zion roots. Ganja glow, light up the night. Herb make the world feel so bright. Rasta chant, feed the love ignite. Ganja glow, just delight. The herb in a me hand, the vibe complete. Can't take away Jah love so sweet. Roll it up fine, the smoke them neat. Ganja glow make the soul feel heat. From the push to the haze, it's just embrace. Every puff a guide feed the human race. Babylon try stop it, but them can't erase the glow of ganja, just sacred place. Ganja glow, light up the night. Herb make the world feel so bright. Rasta chant, feed the love ignite. Ganja glow, just delight. The healing herb make the mind stay clear. Ease the pain, take away the fear. From the chalice smoke to the vibes we share. Ganja glow make Jah love appear. Golden strains in a the moonlight shine. Herb unite hearts, make the soul align. Forever me chant, Jah love divine. Ganja glow make the spirit climb. Light it up, let the fire burn. Herb are the teacher, make the spirit learn. Babylon can't stop, Jah's return. Ganja glow, the righteous earn. Ganja glow, light up the night. Herb make the world feel so bright. Rasta chant, feed the love ignite. Ganja glow, just delight. From the mountain high to the valley low. Her body light make Jah love show. Forever me praise, Jah blessings flow. Ganja glow, let the whole world know.
Zion roots. Ay, ay, ay. Yaman Kali cushion a display. Ay, ay, ay. Yaman Kali cushion a display. The city a bustle light shining so bright. Me smoke me weed, me watching the night. The cars them a pass, the world on the move. Me sit back and relax, me find me groove. The lights flicker like stars on the ground. City so noisy but me own me sound. Me roll the weed and the peace me take in the chaos me find the silence within. Me walk through the streets, head held high. The city heartbeat match the reggae fly by. Me not rush through the crowds, me pace slow. Me see the beauty where others don't go. Me puff me ganja, the rhythm clear. Each breath me take, wash away the fear. City lights flash, but the truth so deep. Me find peace and Jah help me keep. The hustle, my walk in the minnow in the floor. City lights are shine, but me never fall. Me blaze me herbs in me quiet space. Me bring the reggae vibes to every place. From the rooftop high, me see the glow. Me light up me spliff, watch the city flow. The city are loud, but me loud in me peace. Me blaze for the world, for the struggle cease. Me rise in the city, but me don't forget. Me smoke the weed, me ain't caught in the net. Me vision clear, me see beyond the greed. City lights and weeds, me free in me deed. Me pass the city, me walk out with pride. With the city lights and weed, me find the guide. Me rise in the world, me light the night. Me blaze me herb, me see the true light. Zion roots. Ay, ay, ay. Yaman Kali cushion a display. Ay, ay, ay. Yaman Kali cushion a display. Zion roots. Ay, ay, ay. Yaman Kali cushion. Zion roots. Ay, ay, ay. Yaman Kali in on the spliff. Inna the concrete jungle, me find the peace. Through the chaos and the nights, my soul released. The streets them cold, but my heart stay warm. My dream I rise even through the storm. Me walk the pavement, me hear the cry of the youth inna the ghetto who struggle to survive. Me light the herb and me take the pain. The concrete jungle have a different strain. The walls them tall, Babylon them high, but the roots our soul can't ever die. The herb are me remedy in a this fight. The smoke rise high like the stars in a night. Every ghetto youth have a story to tell, of rising up strong where many have fell. Me chant for the system, for Jah rearrange. The herb make me vision clear, a change. In the jungle me grow, me fight. With the herbs in me hands and Jah's light. Concrete can't break what Jah built strong. The dream still alive like a reggae song. The city ablaze, the sirens them scream. But the herb calm me down, restore me dream. The elder them tell me youth rise tall. Don't let the concrete make your spirit fall. Me look to the sky but the building's high. Them try block the light but Jah can't lie. The struggle is real but me stronger than steel. Me use the herbs fi guide and heal. Babylon can't hold me in a them chain. Me rise above the hate, me grow through the pain. The Jah seed, planted deep in the roots of Jah's creed. Jungle, me fight in my dream. Hurts in my lungs, Jah make it clean. The fight I know over, the spirit strong. Me chant Jah's name and me carry along.
Zion Roots. Yeah man, another hot day with Svetka. Scrolling through 1,000 lies, while the truth sit quiet in the skies. Them feed with screen and artificial face, but the soul still search for Jah grace. Me nah born fi algorithm, me born fi vision. Me nah dance fi them like program decision. While Babylon building cyberspace, me build connection face to face. The youth them lost in flashing lights, searching likes but losing sight. But me elders still sit and pray, telling stories from back in a day. Me hear them say, child, hold tight to the truth. Don't let them rewrite your roots. So me chant with pride, me stand up tall. Me nah go fall for the digital call. Digital chains wrap the brain, but me soul break free like lion again. Ancient eyes still watch and see what them doing at this modern spree. Digital chains, silent war, but the heart beats stronger than before. We not forget the sacred ties, we rise with ancient eyes. Them sell fake peace in a online store, while real love cry on nature floor. Them count views like it equal truth, but me count roots, me count the youth. Me nah need filter on me face, me walk bold in Jah embrace. Me nah need likes fi validate, me blessed from start, me elevate. Them tech we vice with AI sound, but we chant still shake the ground. Me say knowledge come from the land, not from no app in Babylon hand. We still got fire in our chest, still got drum beat in our breath, still got rhythm in the bones, still got hope in sacred tones. Me say forward, forward, but look behind. Feed the wisdom them try delete from mind. Me nah run from the screen's glow, me walk toward the truth slow. Digital chains wrap the brain, but me soul break free like lion again. Ancient eyes still watch and see what them doing at this modern spree. Digital chains, silent war, but the heart beats stronger than before. Out of darkness we rise, with ember in our eyes. Them can't change our breeze, we chant down walls with ease. Me born in a world where lie are king, but truth still fly with silent wing. Them build the world pan greed and fame, while poor man cry with none to name. But me nah bow to illusion might, The light comes straight from the starry night. With children of the ember burning slow. Glow from within with spirit show. Me walk through fire with barefoot feet. Cause Jah word guide me every beat. Them say me mad, me say me clear. Cause Babylon run of fear, me dear. Every street corner me hear the pain. But me know the sun come after rain. So me plant love where hate them sow. Me rise where them tell me nah fi grow. Children of the ember blaze unseen. In the heart of night we keep it clean. Them can't extinguish Jah design. We born fi glow, fi lead the line. Children of the ember, now fade. Even in a shadow we never trade. We walk with flame and ancient name. And chant down system shame by shame. Me remember stories me elder told. But love more precious than silver or gold. Them say hold fast to the rhythm true. Cause Babylon soon come for you. So me nah live for clicks and likes. Me chant with drum and mountain mics. Me build me house pan sacred code. Where the river flow and no fear load. Me see them try fi rewrite time. But me memory deep like ancient chime. Me soul now wear no modern mask. Me spirit free, me only task. To burn bright in the darkest place. To hold the line with Jah's own grace. Me not follow what them call success. Me rather be real in a full distress. Me hear the whispers of fallen kings. Me feel the tremble when truth it stings. But me stand firm like mountain peak. Even when me voice feels small and weak. Me nah need stage or flashing lights. Me words move mountains in a night. Me write from soul, not for show. Me planting hearts and let love grow. Every ember seed of Jah fire. Igniting hope, killing liar. We not forget.
Zion, ay ay ay. Yeah, my calling pushing at this speed. Oh, the wind a blow softly, Jah blessings in the air. Me hold the herb tightly, me have no despair. Through the shadows me walk, with the light me guided. Herbs of freedom a glow, me soul provided. Me pick the leaves from Jah's sacred tree. Them roots dig deep, from land to the sea. One puff lift me soul to the sky. Me escape Babylon, me spirit fly. Them tell me it's a sin, me know the truth. The herbs are the healer from Jah to the youth. Me chant and me blaze, me fight the lies. In the green of the herb, me liberation lies. Every seed I planted, them story me tell. The herbs are connection between heaven and hell. The fire burn bright, me ignite the night. Herbs of freedom lift me to Jah's sight. Oh Jah, me give thanks to the green. The leaves of wisdom, me soul them clean. Herbs of freedom feed the earth and me mind. Inna the fire, Jah's love me find. Travel through the mountain, the fields and plains. Herbs are the healing, it wash away pain. Me share the herb with me brother beside. We blaze for the truth, no need fi hide. The Babylon system want fi break the chain, but the herbs keep me calm through joy and strain. Them can't control what Jah freely give. The herbs are life, the herbs are fi live. Me see the ancient wisdom in the smoke. Each puff me take, the silence them spoke. With the earth and fire, me make a vow to keep the herbs sacred from then to now. them a symbol of Jah's endless love. Blessings from the earth, guidance from above. Herbs of freedom in a me hands so pure. Me carry Jah's light for the world to endure. Zion roots, yeah. Yeah, man, the weed man is so high. Me rise every morning, me take a deep breath. Me know me life is for the best. Jah guide me steps, me roll the purest weed. Fi bless me soul, fi sow me seed. Me blaze the weed, and me full of peace. Indica inna me chest, stress released. Me roll some cookies, be a smile so bright. Inna the morning light, me soul a take flight. Me blessed by the herb, me blessed by the sound. Me feel the energy from the world all around. Me blessed by the herb, it bring me joy. Smoke for the troubles, me dip on the high boy. Me say me not turn back, me follow me heart. Me like this spliff, me never gon' fall apart. White widow inna the bag, fi ease the mind. With the right kind of herb, me not left behind. Me feed the world a good vibes, full of love and light. Smoke for the stresses and the future bright. We a walk on the earth, the music we a praise. Every time the herb a burn, it set the blaze. Me blessed by the herb, me blessed by the sound. Me feel the energy from the world all around. Me blessed by the herb, it bring me joy. Smoke for the troubles, me dip on the high boy. Just show me how to live the righteous way. Me face the world, me never go stray. For the love, for the rhythm, me body's a vessel. Me give thanks every time me light the herbal crystal. Me full of the blessings, me walk in the sun. No weapon are formed against me, have no run. Me light the spliff, me meditate with me mind. Herb feed the soul, me leaving the stress behind.